Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. We are together again with another testnet video that may provide an airdrop when it launches its mainnet. As you heard, Sui has already announced its airdrop for early users. And today we will learn how to use the new Sui name service because the old one got cancelled. Also we will mint alt NFTs and complete crew tasks to increase our chances. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications and join our Telegram community to keep up with upcoming events. Now, let's get started. Sui name service in its early stages and aims to provide domain names on Web3 for relatively lower prices with a simple and user-friendly interface. You can use any of these wallets, but today I will show you how to do it from your Sui wallet. After connecting your wallet, selecting the DevNet and requesting faucet tokens, you can click on the apps button to access Sui name service and register your first domain. Here click on the search box and type the domain name you want. There you will have two options, Sui and move with extra alternatives. I already registered a domain name for today and for that reason I cannot do another one. You can only register one domain per day. Later you can adjust your domain name from the profile icon to set the address for your domain name or set it as default. Now let's move on to how to mint our alt NFT from the Galaxy. It will be available until the end of December and we can use it in the future to increase our chances for an airdrop since the project is in its early stages. Here you must log in with your MetaMask wallet on the Polygon network and complete several tasks such as connecting your Twitter account, retweeting and liking some tweets, and connecting your Discord account to claim your alt NFT. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet yet, you can watch our MetaMask tutorials. Let's continue with the crew task to complete and earn Discord roles because Discord plays a vital role in airdrops from new projects. You will find all the links you need below this video. You must complete all these tasks on Discord and Twitter to increase your chances of a possible airdrop. For example, let's do Twitter sharing. Click on tweet button and then copy your tweet link into this box to claim your reward. By completing these tasks and being an active community member, you can get one of these roles in Discord as an early supporter. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channels to keep up with the latest updates. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.